So you just got terminated from your job in Germany, or finally decided to take that leap of faith and resign from your job and want to receive those unemployment benefits from the German government for which you have been paying for a while, but feeling lost and overwhelmed with the process and bureaucracy? Then watch this video till the end. Unemployment benefits in Germany can help you if you are unable to find work. Unemployment benefits in Germany can help you if you are unable to work while staying in the country. These benefits provide all kinds of social and financial support, including payments for health insurance and pension insurance. So I have explained all process of applying and receiving unemployment benefits step by step, and guess what? Everything is based on my personal experience, how I received unemployment benefits in Germany. So let's get right into it. So the prerequisite is that you have to check your eligibility. Eligibility criteria might change over time. So first of all, you need to visit the official website and check the conditions if you are eligible or not. So simply Google unemployment benefits Germany and you will find the website. Normally it depends how long you have worked in the previous months in Germany. The next thing is the difference between the firing or layoff versus the resignation. So the thing is that in case your employer fired you, or you got laid off, or your employer terminated your job contract, then you will receive the benefits from the first day of your unemployment. So normally notice period is 3 months in Germany for the job contracts. So as soon as you receive the termination letter from your employer, you have to start the process immediately to avoid any delays later on. But on the other side, in case you resigned by yourself willingly, then it is still possible to receive the unemployment benefits. But you might get an initial penalty or the blocking period of few months, after which you will start receiving the unemployment benefits. So you need to plan ahead a bit in advance of your expenses if you're choosing this path. Just remember that your public health insurance will still be covered from the German government from day one of your unemployment, even if you resign by yourself willingly, and even if you will not receive benefits during the initial blocking period. The next confusion is about the departments. So for beginners, there is always this confusion between these two departments. One is Federal Employment Agency. So that is the department on which you need to register and do all the process for your unemployment benefits, or ALG1. They will basically help you for the job placement, training, financial support during the initial unemployment. So ALG1 is for those who have worked and paid contributions in Germany. Then the second department is the Job Center. They handle long-term unemployment cases after your ALG1 is expired. So the first thing is you have to sign the termination letter from your employer. You need to email that letter to your employer as a proof. So if your employer asks, you might have to post the signed hard copy by mail as well. So I would suggest you to print the signed copy of your termination letter as well. You might need it later on while your visit to employment agency. The next thing you have to do is visit the official website for employment agency and create an account with your email address. So that is the platform where you will submit your application for ALG1 and keep the track of all the process over there. So basically, all your progress, everything will be handled on that platform. You will book appointments later on, and each and everything will be handled on this particular platform. The next thing you have to do is register as job seeker. So now you have to register as job seeker online on that platform on which you just created an account. You need to register as the job seeker as soon as you receive and sign your termination letter. I would suggest to do not delay it, as it might cause problems later on. So while you are logged in the platform, you will find a menu for register as job seeker. You need to click it and follow the instructions and steps. Also mention that my current employer terminated my job contract today, and I would like to register as unemployed and apply for ALG-1. You might also need the SV number, your social security number, while doing this, so just have it ready in advance. And once done, you will receive a pin by mail in your mailbox in few days to unlock more features on the same online platform. Now comes the very important step, that is the appointment at employment agency. So basically, now you need to schedule a physical appointment with the employment agency. You can get an appointment from employment agency through the same online portal. There is an option over there in the menu you could find. The purpose of this appointment is basically to register yourself as unemployed. You might need to bring some relevant documents like your house registration, your signed termination letter, all the relevant documents, and your CV. So during the appointment, they will register you as an unemployed and they will give you 3 forms. The form number 1 is to log in with some specific password to activate more features, where you will be asked to enter relevant dates. So in the first form, there will be written a password. You will enter that password on the platform where new features will be activated, and you will enter the relevant dates. On the second form that they will hand over to you, it will contain instructions to set the specific dates in online portal. For example, your last day of unemployment, your termination date, and these kind of all the dates will be written that you need to enter on the platform. And the third form is for your employer. So you need to forward that form to your employer to fill and send directly to the employment agency. You don't have to do anything regarding this. You just need to ask your employer to fill this form and send to the employment agency directly. The employer will take care of it. You don't have to do anything regarding that. You just need to inform your employer. And now comes the application for ALG-1. So once you unlocked the advanced features on online platform, now you need to apply for ALG-1 online through the same portal. Just remember, in case of resignation, prepare the reasons in advance that why you resigned from your job, what was the circumstances, and what actions you took regarding that. But in case of termination from your employer, there will be no questions. That is fine. You just need to register for the ALG-1. Simple and straightforward. Just save the proof of your ALG-1 application. So that's it from your side. Your part is done. I would suggest you to regularly log in on the platform to check your application status and notifications. In case any action will be required from your side, do it on first priority. You might start receiving regular mails from employment agency in your mailbox, so check it regularly as well and take the required action on time. And once your application is processed, you will be updated about everything, like from which date you will start receiving the benefits, how much you will receive, and all the details. Everything will be mentioned in detail. And on the last, I would like to give you some bonus tip that during the notice period, start applying for the new jobs or whatever your next plan is, and keep the proof of those job applications and interview calls. Employment agency might schedule an appointment with you later on to check what you are doing while getting the benefits, so that you can show the proof of your job applications and interview calls that you are actively seeking new opportunities. It's totally fine that you won't get it yet, but still you are trying your best. So yeah, that's all you need to know regarding receiving the unemployment benefits in Germany. I wish you all the best. So if you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.